Ready to design a kitchen that's as efficient as it is inviting? Let's craft a layout tailored just for you. The secret to a functional kitchen lies in the layout. Start with the classic work triangle between the sink, stove, and refrigerator to keep everything within easy reach. Whether you prefer the streamlined efficiency of a galley kitchen or the expansive potential of an L-shaped layout with an island, there's a design to fit every home and lifestyle. Customize your layout to suit your cooking style. From professional-grade appliances for the home chef to an integrated dining area for busy families, make your kitchen meet your specific needs. Organize your kitchen by zones: cooking, cleaning, and storage. Place related appliances and storage solutions together to streamline your tasks and reduce movement. Don't forget to incorporate technology and ensure good lighting and ventilation. Smart home devices, task lighting, and a quality range hood can greatly enhance the functionality and comfort of your kitchen. With the right layout, your kitchen can become the heart of your home, efficient, comfortable, and perfectly suited to your lifestyle. For more insights on creating your dream kitchen, subscribe to our channel.